Hello. I'm Mayank Mrinal of Civil Engineering Department, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. I'm going to present a presentation on topic Artificial Intelligence in Civil Engineering. So at first, let's start with one question: what is intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. So, so these are the contents how we proceed in the presentation. First, we will see about intro part, then applications of AI in civil engineering, then the major startups using AI to transform industries. Next is advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So let's start. AI research was born at workshop at Dartmouth College in 1956, where the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy. Attendees are Alan Newell of CMU, Herbert Simon of CMU, John McCarthy of MIT, Marvin Minsky of MIT, and Arthur Samuel of IBM. Become the founder and leaders of AI research. Now, AI describes the process of human thinking as a mechanical manipulation of symbols. The ability to solve problems, ability to act rationally, ability to act like humans. This is AI. So now we will discuss about AI works in civil engineering. It works in many ways. It may be in construction management, transportation management, geotechnical management, or it may be in environmental management. So how AI works in construction management? We come across the construction equipments like trucks, loaders, graders, and excavators, lifts, etc. So how these are used in construction? In older days, construction is done with human digging earth by axe. Now we can work easily by the use of bulldozers, etc. Trucks are used to move material from one place to other. So we are familiar with building design, how we design a building or a structure. Before starting a construction process, we should design it. It make a visual 3D graph of building or a structure. So what is building information modeling or BIM? BIM is a process supported by various tools, technologies and contracts involving the generation and management of digital representation of physical and function characteristics of places. Basically, BIMs are computer files which can be extracted, exchanged, or networked to support decision making regarding a built asset. BIM software used to design, construct, operate, and maintain building. Concept of BIM took off in the early 2000s. The construction process has become far more streamlined and efficient, saving money and time. So, how is artificial intelligence making BIM software system more efficient? BIM software collects tons of data which AI uses to explore the possibilities of each aspect of a construction project and find the best solution for quicker than a human mind. It also reduces the risk of human error which can improve safety on sites. Safety and risk mitigations BIM software has improved on-site safety, making it easier to put extra safety measures in place before a project is carried out. BIM software now has the ability to analyze construction projects from an image alone and identify risks such as workers at a high height, slip, fall hazards. Now, building design. It can create site footprints, floor plan designs, and more. These plans are all linked to one another too, which means you change the measurement in the site footprint during the process. For example, your machine will know to make the necessary adjustment across all areas of the design to ensure the highest accuracy throughout the project. Now, continuously updating. A system that utilize AI are always learning from past and ongoing projects. This means that they are able to update on an almost daily basis. This will help to develop and grow the industry and help to find new design solution quicker. Now, improving productivity. More investment into construction technology in recent years has brought about the development of AI assisted BIM, which has made process across the board more efficient. But we have already come a long way. there's still much more potential for beyond software to that AI, artificial intelligence will soon unlock. Now we will discuss about transport management. Here is the application of AI in transport management. Traffic signal timing and optimizations. Second, short time traffic and travel time prediction model. Third, signal control of traffic at road intersections. Fourth, dynamic route guidance, train control on railroads, air traffic control, etc. So this is the list of key functions of artificial intelligence in transportation applications that are currently beginning to be commercialized or under research trials. These are non-linear predictions, control functions, pattern recognitions, clustering, planning, decision making, optimizations. This diagram shows about traffic signal and optimization, signal control, etc. using artificial intelligence. Now, AI systems are used to predict many aspects of geotechnical engineering. It can predict soil properties and its behavior, pile capacity, settlement of foundations, liquefaction, slope stability, etc. Now we'll discuss about agriculture using artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence is expanding its footprints at a ground level, making a significant impact in the world's most vital sector, that is agriculture. AI in agriculture is providing cutting edge tech for harvesting with better productivity and crop yield. Now we'll talk about agriculture robotics. AI companies are developing robots that can easily perform multiple tasks in the farming field. Such robotics machines are trained to control weeds and harvest the crops at much faster pace with higher volume compared to humans. Controlling pest infections. Pests are one of the worst enemies of the farmer, damaging the crops globally before it is harvested and stored for human consumption. AI and data companies are helping farmers to get alert on his smartphone about the bugs. AI companies using the new satellite images against picture of the same using historical data, and AI algorithm detects that the insects had landed. Now, soil and crops health monitoring. Continuous deforestation and degradation of soil quality are becoming a big challenge for food producing countries. Companies using the algorithms to analyze the captured images and provides a detailed report containing the current health of the field. Now we will discuss the precision farming with productive analytics. Artificial intelligence application in agriculture expanded into doing the accurate and controlled farming through providing proper guidance to farmers about optimum planting, water management, crop rotation, timely harvesting, nutrient management, and pest attacks. This is the example of precision farming. AI techniques are quite beneficial for now. AI techniques are quite beneficial for environmental analysis as they are able to process a huge amount of data quickly so as to draw conclusions that may have not been possible by humans. The environmental concerns are increasing globally due to the various reasons that include global warming, animal endangerment, carbon emissions, disease contaminant, air and water pollution. These have led to a rise in the use of renewable sources of energy instead of conventional sources. AI in environmental protection market includes energy management, water management, carbon footprints management, waste management, and others such as weather predictions and so on. Now we will talk about waste management. AI powered technology helps recycling plants intelligently categorize different waste. The tech uses smart sensors and machine learning to rapidly identify what's on a conveyor belt. AI sensors are a vital improvement over traditional optic options. They can identify the type of material and take into the account spatial considerations. AI tech can't fully sort recycler materials yet. However, it can improve operations in waste management companies and lighten the load on workers. So here are the startups using AI to transform industries, such as such as in auto sector, it's Emotive, Nexture, Drive, etc. There are lots of startups using AI. Now we'll see advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. First, we'll see about the advantages. It reduces the risk of accidents in the workplace. Not affected by hostile environments, can replace tiresome tasks. Don't need breaks at work time. So this is the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Can be very expensive. Not able to work outside of what they are programmed to do. Unemployment may rise. Robots do not get better with experience. So here the conclusion. Applied in many civil engineering areas, plays a major role in constructing and maintaining different aspects of civil engineering problems, perform better than the conventional methods, help an experienced user solve engineering problems and experienced user to improve the work efficiency. Powerful and practical tool for solving many problems in civil engineering field. Instrument based on the algorithms and database to reduce the efforts and cost of construction and management. So we all know that it's artificial intelligence is the future of the world. So thank you.